In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a meeting request directly from your Gmail inbox. If you've ever been unsure how to respond to a calendar invitation straight from your email, don't worry. I'll guide you through it step by step. This process is simple and quick, and by the end of this guide, you'll be confidently accepting meeting invites in no time. Start by opening your Gmail inbox. Scroll through your emails and locate the meeting invitation. These invitations often stand out with a calendar icon or a subject line indicating it's a meeting request. Click on the email subject to open it. Once opened, you can see all the meeting details at a glance, including the date, time, and participants. Take note of any special instructions from the organizer, like a meeting link or agenda. Being aware of these details beforehand ensures you're fully prepared. Next, look at the bottom of the email. You'll see buttons labeled yes, no, or maybe. These give you the option to accept, decline, or tentatively accept the invitation. If you're able to attend, click yes. This not only notifies the organizer that you plan to join, but also automatically adds the meeting to your Google Calendar. This feature helps keep your schedule organized and ensures all your commitments are in one place. A quick tip: if you don't see these buttons immediately, check for a More Options link or expand any collapsed sections in your email. Depending on your email display settings, the options might not always be visible. Once you click yes, you should see a confirmation message indicating you've successfully accepted the invite. You can always double check by visiting your Google Calendar to ensure the event is listed. If your availability changes after accepting, you can update your response either in the email or directly in Google Calendar. Simply find the event and choose to decline or propose a new time if needed. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to accept a meeting request directly from Gmail. This simple action helps you stay organized, responsive, and on top of all your professional and personal meetings. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other how-to videos for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Happy meeting!